light scenario, right? You're going to want to have this f-stop opened as much as possible, right? To let in as much light as possible. Another way to manipulate how much light is coming in is how much time the little...
The shutter works.
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly. So to change the shutter speed, what we do is we press shutter speed, that button there,
Okay.
pretty self-explanatory, and then you'll notice that the number is highlighted, so the number in the middle is highlighted and covered in white, and then we use this weird dial on the bottom here to change the number. So as you can see,
Okay.
the smaller it gets, the more bright it is. The one thing is, as you'll see, when the shutter speed is a lot smaller, it means that the image is being exposed for a lot longer, right? And what that means is that because it's taking longer for the image to be there, if you move it at all, then there's going to be kind of like a weird drag or delay in the image. So I'll show you what I mean.
Oh, no.
If you see that, so movement is going to look really dreamlike, which is kind of cool if if that's the look you're going for. So 15 is still a little dreamlike, right? 30 is a little bit less, but still there.
That's okay. It's not sickeningly
Yep.
slow.
Yeah, it's not like disorienting.
Yeah.
60 is what your eye will see, right? So there's like a little bit of drag when I move quickly. And this is, and then the higher you get, the less light is let in, right? Because the images are going a lot faster, but you will be able to see the movement is less dragged out, and you'll be able to see like the movement more easily. So it's great for shooting if you're trying to capture like action, but since you're doing it in relatively low light scenarios, it might be a little challenging because of the amount of light that you want, right? So trying to figure out what works best in what environments.
I can see, finding a middle ground, and my guesses would be about here. And then in editing, lightening it up if I need to.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I think that would be.
Yeah, because I feel like you would probably want to capture the action,
Yeah.
right? More so than necessarily like having everything bright and then having the action be
Well,
weird
and
looking.
if the action looks like it's dragging too much, wouldn't it be a bit odd with the audio?
Yes, it could look a little odd with the audio.
Okay.
Yep, because then the audio wouldn't drag, but then the image is dragging, and yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So best bet
Yeah.
is, I would say 100 or 90 would be good, because 90 is also a little bit still bright, but then also you can still, if I wave my hand around, like I'm waving it,
Yeah.
and there's not really any drag. If I do 60, this is what your eye will see, so there's a little bit of drag.
Oh, yeah.
Um,
If a person was talking, would it look like a Chinese movie that's dubbed?
I don't know. I don't think so. Maybe if